In every industry, progress is powered by machines. But behind every machine, there are people. And protecting those people is where safety begins. At Fiable Hydraulics, safety is not just a guideline. It is a commitment that shapes every stage of our work. From precision hydraulic design to careful manufacturing and system testing, every process is carried out with strict safety standards. Our engineers ensure that every hydraulic cylinder, power pack and system we build is designed for reliability, durability and safe operation. Because in industrial environments, even the smallest detail matters. Regular inspections, proper pressure management and responsible handling of hydraulic systems are essential to maintaining safe and efficient workplaces. Safety is not just about following rules, it is about building a culture where people, machines and processes work in harmony. This National Safety Week, Fiable Hydraulics reaffirms its commitment to creating safer systems and supporting industries with dependable hydraulic solutions. Because when safety comes first, performance follows. Fiable Hydraulics, precision hydraulic solutions. Visit us at www.fiablehydraulics.com.